Hello again. I got another set of these Phat Boyz cars here. This time it's a Dodge-centric set, although there is a Cadillac Escalade in there. I guess they don't have five castings of Dodges or Chrysler vehicles. Bunch of play sets and stuff they had. A list of the different packs that they have. Yeah. Oh, a Ford Mondeo. Interesting. Looks like this is new, or maybe it's not. Now the tape's been yeah, it's been cut open before. And hopefully it's not abused. Alright. I think a key highlight of this one would be this Dodge Viper. I have to laugh. These things are so ridiculous. They're so flat, so wide. Yeah. These all seem to have the same wheels. I don't know if I want to 3D print wheels for these later. I do like these things, but these are so small, these rims. I wouldn't, well, for now, I'll just leave it the way it is. I guess we'll just let these guys spin each. Go for one revolution. Alright, coming up next, we have a red Dodge Ram pickup from 2003. This is a 2003 Viper, it says as well. So that Viper was glossy. This looks a little, definitely, it's not as glossy. It almost looks like a matte finish. Funny stuff. Okay, I like all the detailing, you know. You got the painted lights, outlines of a badge. Oh, there's even a texture in the grill on this guy. Look at that little texture in there. Fog lamps are painted. Okay, the next one is a Dodge Charger from 1971. The Viper has textures in it too. Let's see about this guy. Well, nice flame job they got going on. It's like a green that fades to yellow, so that's a pretty cool print job. Obviously, we have a white roof on this guy, some black paint in the hood vents, and then the taillights are also painted well, so very nice. Let's get this set up here. That's a Dodge Charger Daytona from '69. But let's look at these things in more detail again. So we got the painted headlights. Sorry, I can't focus. It's actually two-tone, I think. It's like blue on top of silver or something like that. So that's nice. The little fog lights also look like yellow on top of silver. Yeah, in the grills, there's a little texture again. This time the wheels are quite recessed. Little vent paint job there behind the door. Blobby mirror casted in. Very impressive. Exhausts are painted nice. Taillights and all that stuff. Oh, this one actually says on the bottom. Oh, Dodge Chrysler Corp maybe? 2003. Let's see about the other ones. Yeah, alright. Same thing on the Viper. Same thing on the pickup. The other set I had nothing on the bottom other than PB for Phat Boyz, so I guess I just didn't even bother looking at the bottom. Yeah, a little grill texture in there. Hood pin details, flame job orange to yellow this time. It's even black paint in the hood vents, I think, before the flame job, so that's really good. Yeah, the little vents above the front fenders here. And then, yeah, silver outline for the windows. The windows are blue. And then again, yeah, the printing on the bottom. No license plates, but well printed taillights and stuff like that. Exhaust pipes as well even have recesses, so that's pretty impressive. I'm really impressed by these things. On this guy, the only issue is the rear wing, you know, isn't passing air because this is all one plastic casting. They did what they could. Alright, so this last one, I guess the spin thing didn't work out so well because I want to look at the details. An Escalade from 2002. So this is, I guess, this is one of the taller ones, I guess. So all the printing of the lights, the grills, there's recessed. Weird graphic on the side. Door handles have paint. Windows are nice. Little badge. A little tail wiper. And look at the third brake light. It's a little strip of red. So that's really impressive. Unfortunately, these little recesses in the bottom of the bumper have nothing in them. I don't know if there should be. Those aren't the exhausts, are they? And a little fuel filler door on this side as well. And then this time it says trademark GM. Okay. Yeah, they roll. Okay, so let's get these guys lined up. So 4 Dodges and a lone Cadillac. I'm now noticing the Cadillac also has wiper blades. Yeah, alright, little black wiper blades there. This one does not. This one has some peeking out. Little wiper blades there. This one does not. And then the truck does. So, it's the top view. The overall proportions. This is the plan view, I guess. Yeah, it's funny stuff. I like them. So let me pause and see if I can get them on one coaster. Well, what do you know? I can actually get 5 of them onto the top of a CD. Alright. Well, as my earlier Phat Boyz video, I'm very impressed with these. The amount of detail is quite impressive. These are plastic models. I think some other videos say they're die cast, but I took one apart and they're definitely plastic. But it doesn't really bother me. I think that plastic is why you can have such tiny details, like especially in the grill, you know, those little crosshatch patterns in the grills. Yeah, that's harder to do in metal, so. Alright, well, I'm going to get a few more of these if they come up at a decent price on eBay. Alright, I guess I'll see you whenever that happens. Thanks for watching.